Hey guys, welcome to the lecture on how to come up with an infinite amount of ideas and never run out of ideas for a product for you to sell on Amazon. I'm really excited about this because a lot of people's major sticking point is saying, I'd love to sell on Amazon, but I can't find a good idea. I don't know what a good idea is. I have no idea what to sell. If that is you or you've had these thoughts before, this lecture will cure you of all that. We're going to go through three strategies and one bonus strategy for how to never ever run out of things or ideas for you to sell on Amazon. Later on in this section, we're going to be making sure that you validate those ideas and make sure that they're all going to be successful ideas before pursuing them. But in this lecture right now, we're going to relax, take the pressure off. Don't be feeling like you need to find a product today or tomorrow, but this is just going to be some ideas and some resources for you to help you come up with your product idea over the next week or so. So the very first strategy and resource to use is Amazon itself, and this makes sense because everything that is currently being sold on Amazon is obviously listed on Amazon and is searchable through this search bar. So this is basically taking what is selling there already, what are other people selling successfully, and seeing if you can use that as inspiration for launching your own product. So the first way to do it, of course, is the Amazon search bar. And instead of typing in every thought you can think of, such as dog toys, dog bed, dog treats, dog harness, dog crate, you can see this is good and will give you a lot of ideas. But the best way to do it, I feel like, is to go through the alphabet. So you can go A. You can see AA batteries, Apple Pen watch, Amazon Fire Stick. Now these are obviously going to be the most searched for suggestions, so they are going to be very popular. But it's a great place to start because then you could go AB, typing in random letters, abreva, above ground pool, ab wheel, ab belt. And you can go on to AC, get more ideas, and then you can just go through the alphabet like that. You can go B, BA, BAL. Typing in random letters in an alphabetical order will really help give you ideas that you would not be able to come up with in your head without this resource. So this is the Amazon search bar strategy, and literally just open a page right now and start typing random letters. Obviously put some vowels in the letters, make them seem like English words, and you'll come up with things such as this, a knee brace, which I believe I typed in KO to get that. Was that right? Maybe not. Okay. Nope. Maybe I am a little bit crazy. But you can see this is a knee brace. It might be good. We're going to go through the exact formula for what is a good and what is a bad product in this section. But for right now, you could have the idea of selling a knee brace on Amazon, where before using this search box idea, you would not even think of a knee brace because it's not something that's in your day-to-day life. So the second way you can use the Amazon website as a idea inspirer is you can click on one of these products. So right here on our knee braces. And then you can come down to customers who viewed this item also viewed. And again, you're going to get a lot of similar items. But if you scroll using these little arrows on the side, you're going to eventually come across something that's not a knee brace. So these are all still knee braces. A lot of knee braces apparently. So what's this? Is it more of a running strap at the very last product? Again, you can go through the sponsored products. I don't normally like to click on sponsored products because I know people are paying ads for these. But you can go through customers who also viewed and just use it. If you've ever played that Wikipedia game where you have to go from one page to another random page that you think of by using the links, you can sort of play that game on Amazon too by just going through what customers also bought. So here now we're at calf compression socks, which again, idea that you probably would not have thought of just using your own head and a piece of paper, like some people recommend you do. Come back down to customers also viewed, and now we're onto a lot of socks sort of things. Once again, scroll across, and now we're looking at compression sleeves. Oh, these are compression sleeves, I see. More compression sleeves. Lots of compression sleeves. It makes sense that customers viewed compression sleeves. And you can keep searching through here and you'll go through a lot of similar products. This is especially key when you find something that you like, such as a knee brace or such as a compression sock or a sock, and you want to just sort of like explore more in that niche. The other way to explore more in that niche, again, is you can sort by category, but I like just to go all departments. You can go compression, sleeve, and see what else comes out. For calves, for arm, for women. So you can then go into an arm sort of thing. And that'll keep you, if you have a good idea or a good niche that you like, that'll keep you in that niche, but still give you an unlimited amount of new ideas. And finally, the third way to search on Amazon is a very simple way, but it's customers also bought. So this page doesn't seem to have it, but for example, if I go up here and I type in cat, see what comes up. Cat litter, cat toys. We'll start with cat toys. And these are all ads. I don't like to click the ads, but we'll click the first one here, little cat dancer. It's a bestseller. And then I go down, frequently bought together. You can see that people brought a turbo scratcher, so it looks like a little scratching pad for a cat. And also a fashion talk cat toy variety, I guess, just a variety pack of toys for $12. And you can search through this. Once again, if you find a niche that you like, it might become a little bit cyclical in the fact that you'll see similar products popping up. But then you can switch over to these are sponsored customers who also bought again, and you're onto a whole new batch of ideas. So this is one of the most powerful tools to use. It doesn't sort them very well, and I'll show you a couple of strategies of how to get all this data sorted in this exact lecture. But this is a great starting point for you if you have no idea what you want to sell and you're sort of empty in your idea tank. So now moving on to the second resource you can use in order to generate an unlimited amount of product ideas. I'm going to come into my notes here and you'll see a very strange note full of, I guess, product ideas. But what this is everything I've touched in the last hour. Now, people recommend you do this for a week. And I recommend that too, because that'd be a great idea if you really are stuck. And some of the best products you can put out there are the ones that you use yourself and you would know how to make better. So this is a great resource. And it's basically everything you touched in the last week, the last day or week. Basically just get a big list like this, have hundreds or thousands of items, keep it on your phone, keep it on your computer, and anything you touch or anything that you use, write it down. It could be shoes, it could be the clothes that you're touching with your body, it could be your bracelets, your watch, but basically anything, write it down. I was toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, obviously I brush my teeth, cotton bud, fridge, plate, nail clippers, mouse, keyboard, headphones, plastic bag, which was I ordered in food and got a plastic bag, drink bottle, Wi-Fi modem, USB cable, wallet, and keys. Now this is a very basic list because I'm not actually looking for a product, but I go much further into detail. I'd go down to knives and forks, polyester, tray that I ate my food on, and things like that, and go into real detail. And just spend a day or spend a week and see what you come up with. Because once again, the benefit of this strategy is that you are a consumer of this product and you'll know how to make this product better and how to make your customers happy if you're selling something that you use. So that's a pretty straightforward strategy. If we now cross over to the third strategy, and the third strategy is an offline strategy too, but it's basically one Google search will show you what it is. Go to a big box store. Walk into Walmart. Here we go. Basically, walk into Walmart and see what they are selling and see where it is on the shelf, what's selling well, what's sort of at the back. Go into the different departments, go into the toys department, then go into the toiletries, go into the, maybe not the fruit, but go into the Tupperware sections, go into their medical section. You'll find knee braces. You'll find almost anything you find on Amazon, you'll probably find in your local Walmart. So head on over there, go to Target, go to Best Buy, go to any big box store in the US. If you're outside the US, go to whatever big box store you have in your country and just keep your eyes open for ideas. The other thing I'll talk about big box stores with is we'll be going back to look at the marketing side of products. So if you wanted to wait till you take that module too, you can go do two birds with one stone and look at the marketing of products in Walmart and also look for product ideas. So those are the three really helpful strategies that help me come up with a product idea. And I really hope that will help you. there's one bonus strategy I'm going to put in the next lecture that is the mothership of all strategies. It's by far the easiest and the best way to sort through products on Amazon and come up with ideas and make it really easy to test if they're winning products. I think without further ado, let's just jump into the next lecture and I'm going to show you what that strategy is.